My name is Karina Nair. I am based in Washington, D.C., USA. I get to have rotis of the dough of my choice, the oil of my choice, which is not possible when you're trying to go buy store bought rotis. Even when I was working, I was not willing to buy rotis or even hire somebody outside of my home to make rotis for me because that was one worry I always had. What dough do they use? What type of oil goes in my rotis? I wanted a certain kind because we like to eat the multigrain. And that's the only reason I used to always have a help come to my house and cook in my kitchen. That's one thing that I feel really benefited me was I still get to make that decision of what goes in my roti, which you can't get otherwise, of course. And then I don't have to cook about the rotis myself. As a family, that was a no-brainer for us because this was helping us in every way by making this investment.